This is Joe from YoChicago.com. I'm headed to the Greektown neighborhood in the Hot West Loop, to a location that's close to restaurants, nightlife, Mariano's Grocery, public transit, and the UIC campus, for a walk through one of the apartments at the pet-friendly Arkadia. I'm in a sheltered nook on one of the balconies at apartment 3306, a 2-bedroom, 2-bath penthouse. Looking out to the north, turning toward the west, view over the fabulous West Loop, and turning east for a great view of the skyline. Just stepped into the kitchen. Looking at high ceilings and plank flooring extending throughout the apartment. Turning toward a spacious living dining area. Kitchen has a breakfast bar island, white quartz counters. There's duotone cabinetry, 4-burner gas range, a built-in microwave and dishwasher, side-by-side refrigerator freezer with ice and water in the door, 42-inch upper cabinets for additional storage. You have under-cabinet lighting, an undermount stainless steel sink, a gooseneck faucet with a spray attachment, both dome and track lighting in the kitchen. Good cabinet and counter space, very functional. Turning for a look at 2 walls of floor-to-ceiling windows, facing west and facing north. Just off the kitchen, behind louvered doors, you have a full-size, side-by-side washer-dryer, shelving up above. Looking toward the bedrooms. Front entry, just off the front entry to your right. A bath with marble veined tile on the floor, wide vanity with a quartz counter, tub shower combination with white tile. Looking toward the coat closet and the second bedroom. Looking at these distinctive panel doors. Floor-to-ceiling windows in the second bedroom, looking out to the west. Going to give you a great view of the sunset. And you have a ceiling fan. Again, those distinctive doors. Turning toward the primary/master bedroom. Floor-to-ceiling windows again, another ceiling fan, and a door heading out to the second balcony. We'll come back to that. There's an extra wide vanity in the master bath with dual bowls. Same marble tile. And walk-in shower with a frameless glass door. Look at the master closet. A very wide terrace here. Great space for entertaining. Great space just to chill and enjoy the evening sun. You can see the University of Illinois at Chicago right across the expressway. Rapid transit, Mariano's Grocery, Randolph Street Restaurant Row. Literally everything within a short walk. Arkadia has an extensive suite of amenities, including a sprawling outdoor deck with a pool, fitness center, resident lounges, terrific location, a wide variety of apartments, great views in every direction. Definitely want to have Arkadia on your must-see list. Head to the building's website to see floor plans and near real-time rent and availability info.